Ladies and gentlemen, we are back here at MTM.University. I am Professor Anya. Y'all see the topic below. Hit that like button, share this, save this, and all that good stuff. Let's talk about it. Y'all know how I do. It's early day for a lot of y'all. Some of y'all still sleep, depending on the coast you on right now. Big shouts out to the MTM trading community. I love the progress. I'm loving the progress, loving the progress. I see the progress. I see the clears and the withdrawals. I see it. Keep getting at it, guys. Keep getting at it, guys. Keep getting to it. Look, here at MTM.U, we get to the profits on pocket option. If you don't know me already, I am Professor Anyeg, the king of OTC trading. Here at MTM.U, we help you to become layoff proof. What is layoff proof? Look, don't take layoffs lightly, y'all. Don't take that lightly at all, because it can happen to you. We are in a recession, and I know people left and right that are getting laid off from time to time. So you need a backup plan, until you get that next job. And, that's just one of the many beautiful powers of knowing how to trade. Being able to say, you know what? Okay, I got laid off. That's a lot on my mind, but I can still make money while applying for these other jobs. You know what? I could still make money, and the money might get so good to where I may not even need another job. I may be able to just live off of these profits right here. So arm yourself, guys. Arm yourself in these times. Happy, what day is this? I don't never know my days. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. I hear the cars outside. A lot of people driving to work. Oof. I used to know that feeling of getting up early out of the bed when it's cold outside to get in that traffic, man. Much props, much respect to the working class. I don't miss it. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I don't miss it. I was never a morning person. Always hated work. Always hated the work environment. I never got enough sleep. You know that feeling of getting up in the morning when you're hitting that snooze button, I was a snooze. I was a repeated offender with the snooze button. I be hitting that snooze button until you're like, all right, I got to get up this time around. And sometimes you even have those times where you're hitting the snooze button so much to where now you're late for work or you got to call off. I've been there as well, too, working myself to death. For those of you who know my backstory, man, I used to work so much until it took me to mental illness. It placed me in the mental illness. It really affected my health. My health crashed down on me. So I don't want you guys doing that. This is why we offer an alternative to be able to make your money like trading in the market. For those of you who don't know, before we jump into this, MTM.U, we do have a month-to-month plan. You guys asked for it, and we brought it for $139 a month. Look, like y'all see from my story post, man, you make $139 in one trade. That ain't nothing. I make much more than that on a lot of other trades, so that's nothing. But for a valuable education as such to where you'll always be able to self-sustain financially for the rest of your lives and pass that on, it is priceless. If you guys don't already have your pocket option demo trading account, going to start that up today. Hit me up and I'll send you the link for that so y'all can hop on that. Peace to the chat. How are you guys trading going? How's your trading going this week, chat? How is your trading going? And as I tell you guys, from time to time, I may hop in and take a trade while I'm talking to you guys if I see something I love. I'm a very picky OTC trader. Look, let's jump on into this topic, y'all. I ain't gonna waste your time, because after this, I don't know, I might go to sleep or do a workout or something like that, man. I'm thankful. Let me give all thanks and praise to the Most High for another day. Even though this is like ending my day, but you know, just for everything, for giving us another day, for giving opportunity like this, for allowing me to give y'all opportunity. Very thankful for all y'all support. Let me see what he said. Just getting back involved into Forex, but I'm a day trader. Okay. Well, holla at me about the Forex side. For those who know what OTC trading, we don't only trade currencies. We trade other assets as well too. So let's if we haven't already spoke about that, let's have a conversation about that. But yeah, man, all praises due to the Most High for another beautiful day. I know y'all starting y'all's. I'm ending mine. Man, I thank God for freedom, for great health. We could be in a hospital bed right now this morning, y'all, but we not. We up, walking, talking, healthy and well. We're chasing our goals and our dreams and our passion, our purpose, right? Because that's what I always talk to y'all about. Y'all better, hey, look, if you haven't started, get on that today. Look, man, let's jump into this topic, man. Trading MLM bullshit. To my TikTok followers, man, I wish y'all could see the video that I got. But, you know, TikTok doesn't allow you to play video backgrounds. But y'all see all this stuff up top. Y'all see this. We're gonna have a conversation about this, and I have a lot of other content speaking specifically about this, so make sure you guys tap into the YouTube channel. Trading MLM bullshit. What is the MLM anyway? What is the MLM? A multi-level marketing company. I ain't gonna go into the whole deep science of what it is, because a lot of y'all know what an MLM is, but I want to have this conversation so that we can differentiate and separate the difference in between real trading and trading education, trading community and support, versus MLM. The two don't mesh. They don't mesh at all. As I said, for those of you who know, my trading journey started with a trading MLM. I'm not gonna say the name of it because we ain't giving no free publicity here. But you know, when I went on that journey with a couple of people that I know, you know, I always kept my eyes open, my eyes and ears open to see, you know, what I could approve of, what I like, that was definitely helping me, and what was complete bullshit. And we saw a lot of this bullshit. You know, the parties, the conferences, the motivational conferences and stuff like this. And it was hitting me. I'm like, hold up, I'm not learning trading. My people that I told about this, they're not learning trading. I see a lot of partying and fraternizing going on. A lot of like some fraternity sorority type stuff, but I'm like, where is the trading part? Like, I came for the trading education. Like, I could party with my peoples. I can have fun with my peoples. You see the foolishness up top. I wish y'all could see it, TikTok. But I'm like, where's the seriousness about trading? And granted, there's nothing wrong with having community. We got community over here at MTM.U. It's nothing wrong with that. But when the focus is too much on the circus like this, and when the focus is too much on recruiting, because if you know MLM, with this Amway, was it Mary Kay, just any of the popular MLMs throughout the year, or it's all about recruiting. It's all about recruiting. It's all about making money. It's all about recruiting. I'm not here to speak necessarily against MLMs, because it's just a form of business. I'm just here to say that you convolute things, you muddy the waters when you intertwine it with the trading journey. So as I said, with the MLM that we were with, we just weren't getting great trading support. We weren't getting great trading education. We weren't getting great trading resources. So it was not really helping us to get to our bottom line. But they were focused on their bottom line, which was trying to get us to recruit. I think a lot of y'all are like me, to where y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like, MLMs annoy y'all. Like, when you even think of an MLM and they come with those pictures, it's like, man, get the fuck away from me, man. Go over there with that. I'm not trying to do that. And the MLM we were with, they were disguised as a trading education platform, but it was just an MLM. It was really just an MLM. It was really just an MLM. Weekly meetings trying to get us hype and tricked into being recruiters, because that's where their bread and butter was. That's where they were making most of their money, from recruiting. And how can you really help people with trading and help them to focus on trading when the bottom line is recruiting? So what we saw was that they had a major revolving door. Their retention rate was crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, they wasn't able to hold nobody in there because, after a couple of months, it was just like, I'm not profitable in the market. I'm not learning what I thought I was, what I paid to learn. What is really going on here? But the MLM, they knew that. They knew that there was always going to be that revolving door. So it's just like, look, we know people are going to come, people are going to go. So you know what? Let's train our recruiters to just keep on pumping people in through the door, keep on pushing people in through the door. And again, that muddies the water, because if I got people around me that were disguised as traders, but they're really just recruiters, how can they help me? These are the people that brought us in. We thought that they were traders, but they weren't. They were just recruiters. The people that were on their online platform, which you'll find this with any so-called trading, was any so-called trading educational platform that is an MLM. All the people online in front of us were just recruiters. They just, again, disguised themselves as, disguised their recruiter side with being traders. It was even a time where, me and a lot of my guys that came into, this MLM, I told him, I was like, man, let's break away from this. You know what I'm saying? And there was another guy that's very popular from within the MLM. He broke away too, him and his group. So I'm like, man, let's check out, what they got going on over there, man. We I'm not gonna say we fully got down with them, but we was checking out, his information from time to time. He was posing like a great trader too, posing like he could really bring trading education as well too. And eventually this guy as well took his whole group from one MLM to another MLM. And that's when it just really hit me like, man, like, so none of these people really came to really master trading. They really don't see the value in trading.